my channel. And today I wanted to show you my dogs. So here's Rosie.
Hi Rosie, hi pretty girl.
And then there's Rebel, the little one. And then the big one's Bobo's.
Bo, get out of the mud.
Come here, kitty.
Bobo, come here.
I'm gonna try something.
He's rolling in the mud. What are you doing? Bobos.
Rebel, come here, Rebs. What is she doing? Here, run and catch up to her. Come on.
Okay, we're running.
Oh, Rosie!
Rosie's about to make us fall. Hey,
Okay.
Bobo, get out of the woods.
Bobos.
We have all these
Come
woods
here.
around our house, and there's
Come here.
ticks in there. And
Bobo.
Bobo always goes in the woods. He
Bobos,
does
come
have
here.
tick medication on him, so hopefully he doesn't get any.
Bobos,
That's our
come
really
here.
old caca chicken coop. That doggy right there killed all the chickens. Oh, there's a bunny. Bobo's chasing the bunny. Rebel.
What bunny was it? What color was it?
I just saw a white tail. Go get Rebel, please. Come on, Bobo. Leave the bunny alone. Come on. Let's go get him. He'll come running out of here like a madman. Hey, leave that bunny alone. Come on. You leave that rabbit
I
alone.
think that's
Bo.
what's her name? Thumper?
Hey, come on. Leave the bunny alone.
Was that Thumper that we just saw? Yes, Thumper had a white tail.
I
and
don't
she was
think
brown.
it was. It didn't look fluffy.
Both of our bunny rabbits, they run away and they go back there by our neighbors.
Mm-hmm.
So,
We
you
have...
want to see my secret flower garden?
Okay.
Follow me.
Come on, Bobo.
He'll come. He'll come.
Oops. Come on,
So you
Rebel.
go this way, and I'll show you what that is in a minute. So you walk over here. You gotta kind of step through here. Bring the camera in.
I'm coming. This
And
is a big old jagger
you
bush
come
she's about to
down
take me
here
through.
And I'm not going down here. I'll try. And you come down here and you got this little room here.
Oh, you got a visitor.
And
Two
then
visitors.
we have my master bedroom. And then over here is the guest bedroom.
He's gonna make this a little house
Hi,
inside
kitty.
of this big old bush.
Ugh.
In the summertime, it gets really full, and you can barely see in there, and then it's a secret little garden.
Yep.
Okay, let's see. Where's the doggies at?
Down here.
Kitty and Rosie. Where's Bo? He's still in the woods?
Yeah, he's stuck.
Hey, Rebel. Get her, honey, before she goes on the lane. They usually don't leave our yard. We live in the country. And they can just run around. This is a puppy, Rebel. She's new, so she's still learning. She shouldn't really even be... Hey!
Get over here.
She shouldn't really even be down here. Chase her around.
No. Back. Back. No.
Here's Rosie. This is like the first nice day. Okay. Let me go get her. Get your butt up
Want
here.
water?
Come on. Get your little butt up there.
No.
Rosie smells something in there that she likes. Probably them coyotes at nighttime we're hearing.
Yeah.
He's a kitty girl. Sorry, my voice is a little bit hoarse. Let's go see what the bad doggies are doing. Rebel girl, where are you going?
So this thing right here represents our bird.
Grandpa's bird.
Yep. That is our bird Rio.
Yep. We inherited a bird when Caden's grandpa passed away. His name was Rio, and he passed away. So we buried him down there, and that's his little... We put bird food in there in the summer.
I think it's all gone. Yeah, it's all gone. All the
Alright,
bird
well,
food's gone and I'll eat it.
I think we better get off here and round up the dogs before they get in the woods.
Okay.
Okay, so that's the end of the video.
Yep.
Alright, thanks guys. Hope you liked meeting our doggies. We'll see you later.
Bye. And make sure to like, subscribe, and share, and hit the bell.
Bye-bye.
Bye.